Industries.
Afternoon, Nigel. The stock has actually bounced back from 45 to around rally towards 125 till in September last year, but then it again started crashing down and it is now substantially lower back towards the 50 odd levels. I would suggest to definitely be out of a stock like this. So any pullback from here should be used as an exiting opportunities because it doesn't make sense to be with the stock that has been underperforming for almost 8 years now, and it's better to invest in something in stocks like probably Asian Paints, which has been doing exceptionally good, something like Ashok Leyland that has been outperforming the overall sell-off that we have seen over the past few days and weeks. So I think it's better to be with the large caps and that too with the outperforming stocks rather than something like this that has been all over the places over past many years.
How long can you hold on, and how long have you been holding these shares?
Actually, I'm holding since August, I think.
Okay, and you're willing to be more patient, but will that work or not is the question. Ashish, what's your call on Suzlon? I mean, it's already come off quite a bit. Do you think that she can at least get back towards her buy price?
Hi, Surbi. See, if Suzlon, as we discussed even last week, I suppose the stock has been all over the places. It moved from 9 rupees to 35, 36 rupees. It then crashed back towards 11. It then moved again towards 28, and now it's again back to 12. So I would suggest staying back with the stock that has been moving in this fashion is absolutely not a good investment. It's better to be moving out of a stock like this with such a high volatility and no clear direction, no clear trend, and it has been also moving below its important moving averages. So I think it's better to stay out with Suzlon and invest in another large cap companies, probably something like TCS or Asian Paints, Ashok Leyland, which I said just before. So any rallies from here towards the level of 17 or 18 should be a good exit price, and on the downside she can probably use 11 as a very, very strict stop loss for the existing position.
Okay, then some good advice that's coming in there. By LT, that's been the big drag actually on the Nifty. Every time we try to move higher, we've seen LT being one of the big underperformers. It's corrected from around the 1800 rupee levels. What's your take? She's got it at around close to 1500 rupees. Should she hold on to it, or should she just sell it? She can hold it for a year.
Nigel, since her horizon is for 1 year, I think she should hold the stock. It has corrected sharply from the levels of 1850 to this low of near around 1000. And but over past few days, we have seen some kind of bounce back activity which is happening, and the stock has now arrived again towards the 50 days moving average. It is going to be very crucial for it to cross about 1200. That is the resistance zone. So if it manages to cross about 1200, then we can see the levels of around 1350 or 1400 on upside. So she can hold the stock from a year's perspective, and but she has to apply a stop loss which should be near 950. If the stock crosses or closes below 950, I'm not sure where it is headed. So use 950 as a very strict stop loss, and there can be some reversal or buying activity which might be emerging in this stock after a long time.
All right, so that's view on